What's good, guys? It's your boy Black Lightning 4547. This is Garage System Test 6 Retrofits.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. There has been a fire alarm reported in the building. Please proceed to the stairways and exit the building.
So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this system is gonna showcase notification appliances specifically that usually replace older devices on an older system. So this is what I have today. So, and then this older system in particular is like a simplex system. So let's say like a 9838 dies or something like that. This is what might get replaced with. So for the pole stations today, we both are simplex 299s, 9754s. Okay, so bam, and then also on this side as well. Now for the notification appliances, in this spot we have a simplex 4903 9426. It is a free run or smart sync 4-wire true alert. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this might replace like a 4903 9101 and a 2901 9838 combo, something like that, where you need a free run device, because obviously those older devices are free run, and obviously you need a device that's modern, because obviously those devices will be out of date and not available anymore, obviously. So yeah, this is what we have here. Is this fixed 75 candela strobe, and yeah. Now over here we have my Wheelock NS4 24 MCW FR. Now this is actually here for two reasons. Actually, this actually replaced a defective true alert, because I actually was gonna have free run true alerts for this setup, but this true alert had a dead strobe, so I decided to take that down, and actually did a poll on the fire alarm chats and Instagram, and most of you actually suggested that I replace it with an NS4 instead of replacing both of them with NS4s, because I know some of you want like a consistent setup. But this is like a real life scenario where there's a defective device on the system and it gets replaced. So yeah, this is one of those instances. So yeah, we have an NS4 right here. So yeah, and this also this is set on 75 candela, just to kind of match that true alert over there. So yeah, without further ado, the system is currently set on March time. So yeah, and by the way, the heat detector still remain, obviously. So yeah, so here we go. And there's that. That's pretty loud. Both of these are on high volume, obviously. So let's go ahead and reset the pull station. There's that. No audible silence, because usually there isn't audible silence with older setups. So let's go ahead and hit the reset button, and was also put it to on another kind of retrofit coding, which is usually continuous. So I'll be back. All right, the system is reset. So now the system is on continuous. Ooh, so let's go ahead and prepare to get our ears blown out, and let's go ahead and activate the other 29.997.54. Oh my goodness. Whew. Yo, that was insane. Anyway, so let's go ahead and reset the system. That is definitely not staying on continuous. Oh my lord. Whew. Um wow. That was insane. But oh yeah, so I told you one reason, and the other reason was just to demonstrate, other, modern 4-wire devices out there, So, but yeah. So, but, whoo-wee, man, that was insane. The system is reset. So, yeah, like I said, this is definitely not staying on continuous, bro. That was just pure ear rape right there. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this this garage system test. It's been your boy Black Lightning 4547. Take care and have a good one.